Quick question. How many of your important projects actually depend on people who don't report to you? Product team needs design and engineering. Sales needs marketing and ops. Ops needs finance and legal. Working with multiple functions, without peer influence, you end up chasing, your reminders get ignored, and you carry responsibility without control. Listen carefully. By the end of this video, you'll move projects forward without being annoying, pushy, or fake. The first shift: stop being a task pusher. Start being a project planner. Lead with the following phrase: here is the outcome we share, and then connect it to how it helps their goals. Ask your peers, how do we make this work for both sides? You're not begging for favors, you're collaborating around a shared win. Let's make this further more practical. You've got 3 levers: shared outcome, reduce friction, and build emotional credit. First, shared outcome. People move when they see what's in it for the team or business. Now their work reflects on them too. This leads them to share the stakes. 2. Find a way to reduce their friction. For example, bring them an initial draft of the output if possible. Find a way to reduce their cognitive load that will help ease their skepticism. 3. Build emotional credit. Give credit publicly. Remember their constraints. Be fair. Have their back. People move faster for people they like and trust. For example, check how the following sounds. Quick one. Friday review decides Q2 budget. I've plugged last month's numbers as placeholders. Could you update the yellow cells by Thursday? Will take approximately 10 minutes. Helps us avoid a delay. Clear outcome, reduced friction, respectful tone. That's peer leadership, not nagging. If you get pushback, try the following. Got it. I know you're slammed. This is blocking X. What's realistic, and how can I make this lighter or split the work? Calmly connect choices to create impact. Assignment. Pick one project where you depend on a peer. Rewrite your next message to them using shared outcome, reduced friction, clear respectful ask. Watch how the tone of the reply changes. Influencing peers without authority is not about being louder. It's about thinking in outcomes, respecting their reality, and becoming the person people want to say yes to. In the next part of this module, we'll connect all 3 directions, up, down, and across, so you move inside your org like someone who already belongs at the next level.